Scientific American is reporting on an amazing breakthrough in depression treatment. They say a hallucinogenic drug derived from magic mushrooms could be useful in treating depression. The first safety study of this approach has concluded. Researchers from Imperial College London gave 12 people psilocybin, the active component in magic mushrooms. All had been clinically depressed for a significant amount of time, on average 17.8 years. None of the patients had responded to standard medications. 1 week after receiving an oral dose of psilocybin, all patients experienced a dramatic improvement in their symptoms. 3 months on, 5 patients were in complete remission. So, we have people here with treatment-resistant depression, and many of them, when given this treatment, improved and got better. Why the fuck would we not go down this path more? But see, that's the thing. For the longest time now, we've had this mental block on certain kinds of drugs. Because, ooh, icky, low lives in the hippie movement used it, and dirty hippies, gross, nasty. They were counterculture and anti-establishment, and they must not know anything because of that and how they danced and smelled. So, laws against it, laws against it, laws against it, outlaw that kind of lifestyle. And by the way, now we know, because Nixon administration officials, these quotes now have been released, they admitted, oh, no, totally. The whole point of the war on drugs was to lock up the undesirables, the ones who were not Team Nixon from the beginning. And they said, namely, black people and white liberals, hippies. So they were like, yeah, no, we were totally against them, so we wanted to lock them up, so we criminalized all the things that were associated with those lifestyles, black lifestyle and white liberal hippie lifestyle. So now we know, okay, it was all bullshit. It's not like there's no benefits to doing those things. But still, today, we're fighting to try to overcome the stereotypes and the stigmatization and all the issues that are brought up when you say, hey, perhaps there are some medical uses for not only marijuana, but for also magic mushrooms, also for stuff like LSD and MDMA. And guys, there's other promising results on this front too. I think it was a study with MDMA in people who were in end-of-life care, and they took it, and all of a sudden, depression was lifted. So you have people who are on fucking death's doorstep, and they take these drugs, and all of a sudden they're like, oh, it's all good. I mean, could you imagine your last few days on this earth, your maybe month on this earth? And, time's running out, but there's something that exists that can ease the pain and suffering and anxiety and nervousness about the end of this and all the reflection, and did I do this right, did I do that right, was my time worth it, blah, 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 blah. And you take something, everybody's like, I feel great. Well, I don't know what you mean. This is wonderful. Why would any human being try to step on that? But we have a system that does try to step on it. And now we know when they actually start doing some research, oh yeah, almost all of the different drugs have some tremendous benefit. So this isn't like, the point I'm trying to get across, you guys, is this isn't like debatable. We already have drugs that help with various things that are drugs. When you get in a car accident and you snap your femur, they give you morphine. Morphine reacts in the body exactly like heroin. You're getting high on heroin after you get into an accident. Guess what? That's the only thing that'll make you feel better at that time. Takes away the pain. So do we go, evil, judging you, I'm morally judging you, how dare you take that? No, we go, what do you mean? That's what they need. Why would it be any different for something like magic mushrooms with depression where there's now evidence it works? It's not any different. We got to get over the stigma. We got to get over the social taboo, and we got to realize that these things are useful regardless of the propaganda that's been pumped into your head from when you were a kid.